Hello there, hi, I'm Jon Crowe, I'm a guitar player from England. Hello, El Profe de Música, sorry my is not very good. Please play, have fun, enjoy what you do, enjoy playing guitar. If you enjoy it, it'll all be okay. You know, everything will be fine, you know. Please enjoy, you know. And that was I've been teaching guitar only for 15 years now. For 15 years. And I never get bored. I'm always excited. It's a wonderful job. I learn a lot off many people. I'm always learning off students. Prefer for people to learn what they want to learn, and then I show the theory and the reasons why this works. Or for example, somebody wants to learn a song and I say, okay, it uses this scale and it uses these chords and it's in the key of, you know, and I try to gently show people theory. Other people love theory, and I do whole lessons on theory. Some people just want to play, I don't know, I'm thinking of a song. Some people just want to learn Despacito. Yeah. You know, and they just want to strum. Everything is different, isn't it, George? So everybody is different, so I try to do my lessons where I help each person individually. Yeah, Eric Clapton was my hero when I was, you know, very small. But now I very much like Guthrie Govan. He is amazing. I very much like Django Reinhardt. Gypsy jazz, I very much like that. I very much like Joe Satriani. So I have lots and lots of different styles I like. Andre Segovia, of course.
Yes.
But Christopher Parkney, Julian Bream, John Williams, you know, incredible. And then you have the Spanish people, you know, like David Russell. He lives in Spain now. Amazing. Pepe Romero, people like that, you know, incredible musicians. That one. I love that, but I love blues. I've been in many blues bands over the years, and I play a lot of blues and a lot of rock as well. And I was in a gypsy jazz band for a long time. Country guitar. I love country, you know, like. I have lots of guitars here, but you may like this one. Firstly, this is my 1964 Fender Stratocaster.
Old.
You know, it's beautiful. If you play slowly and you do it right, you do it correctly, you will then learn good things. You know, like if I tried to play fast and go, my fingers are very bad, but watch this hand. My fingers work better together. You know, synchronize. That's the word. You know, they work. So always play slowly to start with, and then try to play faster. So I'm quite new to this. In fact, because I've always played guitar, but before lockdown, before COVID, I was never online. And I was doing private tuition, one-to-one, no internet at all. No internet. So my Facebook page, I've only recently started putting work into it. You know, I just, you know, but my life now, if you like, you know, I practice, by the way, now. I practice more now than I have done in many years. You know, I practice 3-4 hours every day. You know, I practice 3-4 hours. I walk my dog, and I do my guitar lesson.